In the real world of servicing automobiles, a technician needs to be able to lift virtually any vehicle safely and efficiently. We all know service facilities make a living working on vehicles, and having the right lift to accommodate the right vehicle is essential in today's fast-paced shop. Asymmetric-only lifts have columns that are turned 30 degrees. They are designed to safely and properly lift vehicles with its center of gravity more forward, like front-wheel drive passenger cars and light trucks. Symmetric-only lifts have columns that face each other. They are designed to safely and properly lift vehicles with a center of gravity more symmetrically positioned on the vehicle, like full-size pickup trucks, vans, and large SUVs. These lifts force a service facility to decide what types of vehicles are serviced most, limiting productivity and revenue potential. Turning away business because you do not have the right automotive lift to service a specific vehicle is detrimental to a shop's bottom line. This shop with asymmetric-only lifts didn't turn away service business either, lifting the wrong vehicle with the wrong lift configuration. Not only does this cause undue wear and tear on the lift, it poses a potential work hazard. Versymmetric lifts safely and properly accommodate cars, trucks, crossovers, SUVs, and vans, all within the same service bay. Challenger Lifts is the leading manufacturer of lifts that combine a 2-in-1 symmetric and asymmetric lifting design in one lift. This innovation is called Versymmetric technology. The Challenger Versymmetric Plus CL10V3 provides open door clearance to driver controls for both asymmetric lifting applications and symmetric lifting applications. All Challenger Versymmetric 2-post lifts feature double telescoping screw pads that adjust to multiple heights to accommodate most lifting points without extra height adapters. The offset 3-stage front arms of the CL10V3 allows them to be stored in an asymmetric lifting position rear of the front tires. When the vehicle is driven through, the front arms make one sweep to the vehicle's lifting point without having to reposition or shuffle the vehicle back and forth to reach its recommended lifting points. 3-stage front arms provide maximum retraction for lifting wide-body imports with designated outside lifting points. 3-stage rear arms provide maximum reach for hitting the lifting points of long wheelbase vehicles. Challenger designed the first and only 2-post lift on the market with both 3-stage front and 3-stage rear arms. It offers the maximum arm reach and retraction to meet the recommended lifting points of the widest range of vehicles. As illustrated earlier, the benefit of the Versymmetric lifting design, or Versymmetric advantage, is being able to properly and safely lift the most vehicles in one service bay with one lift configuration. The CL10V3 features a gusseted base plate that provides rigidity and is less sensitive to uneven floors. Grease fittings located on fully sleeved cross tubes keep arms swinging freely. The CL10V3's 48-inch length carriage with 8 UHMW slider blocks decreases the load on bearing, providing less wear and maximum dependability. A heavy-duty 5-inch diameter pulley in 5/16-inch cable thickness reduces stress on equalization system and increases cable bending life. A padded overhead shutoff bar protects vehicles from accidentally being raised too high. Always place the lift in the mechanical safety locks when raising vehicles to be serviced. Model CL10V3 features a single-point mechanical lock release system, allowing technicians to disengage both column locks simultaneously. Arm restraints automatically disengage when lowered to the ground, making it quick and easy to swing the arms back to the asymmetric stowed position. The offset 3-stage front arms allow them to be stowed in an asymmetric lifting position rear of the front tires, making spotting easy with one sweep to the lifting point ready for the next vehicle. As previously mentioned, the Versymmetric Plus CL10V3 provides open door clearance for both symmetric and asymmetric lifting applications. Rubber door guards provide additional security from opening doors into the columns. Drop-in style stack adapter extensions work with all Challenger Versymmetric 2-post lifts to provide extra height perfect for vehicles with running boards or step rails. Simply remove the arm's screw pad, drop in the stack adapter, and replace the double screw pad. The arms are positioned in a symmetric lifting configuration. This lifting configuration is used to lift full-size pickup trucks, vans, and heavy SUVs. It is not recommended to lift these vehicles on an asymmetric-only lift. For lifting on frames like this full-size truck, frame engaging adapters are ideal for making frame contact in tight spaces. The cradle of the adapter is specifically designed for use in tight frame engaging spaces, around undercarriage components such as gas tanks, brake lines, and cables. For even more productivity, Challenger's CL10V3 with dual pendant controls expedites vehicle spotting by moving the lift's power controls low to the ground. This provides an unobstructed view to lifting points when small adjustments are so important. Once again, we see the Versymmetric advantage, being able to properly and safely lift more vehicles in one service bay with one lift configuration.